Jai Hind everyone. Recently, the Indian Air Force inducts light combat helicopter Prachand. The HAL Prachand is an Indian multi-role light attack helicopter designed and manufactured by the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. It was initiated from Kargil War when Indian armed forces lacked a suitable armed rotorcraft which is capable of operating unrestricted in the high altitude theater. It is equipped with two-person tandem cockpit to accommodate a pilot and a gunner. It can perform both anti-infantry and anti-armor mission. In addition with these roles, it performs air defense, UAVs, counter-insurgency, urban warfare, combat search and rescue mission. It is specialized with digital camouflage, IR, radar cross-section, etc. On 29 March 2010, the first LCH prototype performed its first maiden flight and became the first helicopter to land at the highest altitude, Siachen. On 26 August 2017, limited series production of the Prachand was finally inaugurated, and by mid of 2017, Indian Army had placed order for 114 LCH, while IAF had a total of 65 LCHs on order. Now IAF formally inducted HAL Prachand into 143 helicopter unit at Jodhpur Air Force Station on October 3, 2022. Thank you. Stay tuned for more such videos.